Unboxing. My name is Olivia.
And I'm Lindsay.
And this month's beauty box is October, and the theme is treat yourself. And of course, every single beauty box comes with a pamphlet that has an outline of all the goodies that you received for that month. And then at the bottom on the inside, we have a coupon code, and this month's coupon code was $10 off of any order, $30 or more. And then if you look on the back of every pamphlet, we have a cute little QR code that you can scan and watch these amazing videos.
So our first product in the October beauty box is Fake ID. You guys, this is the ultimate step to resurfacer here with Beauty Society, and it's actually one of my all-time favorites. It is a powerful blend of ingredients, 10% glycolic. This is going to support hyperpigmentation, sunspots, wrinkles, and crow's feet. Again, after you'll use Fake ID after your step 1. So after your face is nice and clean, you will put Fake ID as your resurfacer, step 2.
And even better, starting last month, we started packaging our serums in a little screw-off cap, and so we would be sending you your pump and your cap separately just to mitigate any sort of leakage in transit. And our next product is a Mission Accomplished refill. We actually don't have refills of Mission Accomplished available yet, so you were some of the first people to receive a refill of this amazing product. Now, this is one of our most popular Step 3 anti-aging products for a reason. Mission Accomplished is amazing for helping elasticity, evening out skin tone, hyperpigmentation, and for me personally, it does so much for my skin texture. It's insane. This is definitely, if you have any sort of wrinkles or any sort of signs of aging, this is gonna be your best friend. And this is a Step 3 product, so you're gonna wanna use this after your Step 1 cleanser and your Step 2 resurfacer, so it's the perfect buddy for your Fake ID.
Our next product is Liquid Luxury. This comes in the beauty box this month as a travel size. It's a lipid repair oil. It's going to soften the skin. It's gonna help reduce fine lines. And actually my favorite thing to do with Liquid Luxury when I'm feeling extra dry is to pump a little bit of this in with either my moisturizer for my face, or even during the winter months, add a little bit to my body moisturizer as well to really support that dry skin.
If you have dry skin, this is a must.
Yes.
So for October's beauty box beauty tool, we have a Rose Quartz face roller. And if you don't already have one of these, this is something that you need to incorporate in your skincare routine. And what it does is it drains the lymphatic system in your face, and it helps reduce puffiness, it helps with fine lines, and it's just really great for evening out skin tone. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna follow the instructions on the box of which direction you're gonna wanna use it in your face, because that's very important. And if you can do this 2 times a day, you're gonna see visible results. I mean, even for me, if I do it on half of my face, I can drastically see the reducement of puffiness, and I can see honestly my cheekbones coming out, my jawline coming out. It's something that you're definitely gonna wanna stick to. Okay, next we have a classic black eye pencil. And this is something that's obviously a staple in everyone's makeup bag. It's something that you're gonna wanna keep on you at all times, because who knows, it is amazing to apply on the top of the eyelid or even on the bottom. And what I love about this so much is that it holds very well, but it is also slightly smudgeable. So if I'm doing a smoky eye, I like to take a little makeup brush and kind of blend in the pencil, and it just kind of gives it that like effortless look, even though I put a lot of effort into it. And something else that's so great is that it has a little built-in sharpener, so you never have to dig through your bag to sharpen your black pencil. Very brand new product for this month's beauty box is actually something that we're bringing back. It is Worth It, but in a new tone, and this new tone is called Spellbound. And Spellbound is such a beautiful berry color. I'm currently wearing it, and it is perfect for the fall and winter season. And if you don't currently already have any other Worth It's, you're going to love it. This lip plumper is so amazing, it works so well, and it is one of our best sellers for a reason.
Okay, our next product in the October beauty box is a very festive blending balm. You guys, how cute is this pumpkin blending balm? These are my favorite. I use them all the time. So how to use the blending balm? You want to drop it into water, let it grow, right? And then make sure it's not all wet inside before you use. And then you can easily just apply your foundation in different spots all over. Use your blending balm to mix it in, and you will get the perfect blend.
Thank you so much for watching. We love all of our BeautyBox subscribers so much, and if you are not currently a BeautyBox subscriber, make sure that you check out our bio below and see how you can get this amazing box. You got all of these products this month for only $60 and so many more benefits. Thank you so much. We love you.
Bye.
Bye guys.